In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an announcement bar to your Shopify store. An announcement bar is a simple, high-impact way to share updates like shipping promos, holiday hours, or limited-time discounts right at the top of your site. I'll walk you through two easy methods: using the Shopify theme customizer and using a third-party app if you want more advanced features. First, let's use the Shopify theme customizer. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes. Find your active theme and click Customize. This opens the theme editor. On the left-hand menu, look for a section called Announcement Bar. If you don't see it listed, click Add Section and select Announcement Bar to insert it into your layout. Now click the Announcement Bar section to open its settings and enable the bar. You'll see a text field where you can write your message. Keep it short and clear so it's easy to read at a glance. If you want shoppers to take action, you can add a link by pasting a URL or selecting a page from the drop-down menu. When you're happy with the wording and link, click Save in the top right corner. The theme editor preview will show you how it looks before you publish any changes live. If the message feels too long, tighten it up for better visibility. If you need more design options, scheduling, or targeting, you can use a third-party app. From your Shopify admin, head to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Announcement Bar and browse the results. Popular options include Hexstum, Quick Announcement Bar, and Essential Announcement Bar. Choose the app you like and click Add App or Install, then follow any prompts to connect it to your store. Inside the app, create your bar by following the on-screen instructions. These tools often provide extra customization like different styles, eye-catching animations, and targeting rules so you can show different messages to different audiences or pages. When you're done, use the app's preview to confirm the design and placement. Then publish your new announcement bar to your store. To wrap up, the built-in theme option is fast, clean, and great for most stores, while an app gives you more control and flexibility when you need it. After setting up your bar, give it a quick check on desktop and mobile to make sure it's legible and not covering important navigation. And remember to update your message as your promotions change to keep your storefront fresh and relevant. That's it. Your Shopify announcement bar is ready